how to create a feedback form, how to create a survey form. So guys, in this video I will show you how to create a feedback and survey form in Google Form. So hi guys, this is Asif from Syskarate. So let's get started. Okay guys, so first you have to open your browser. In browser you have to go to google.com. Okay, in google.com you have to type Google Form. And one thing, remember, you have a Gmail ID to sign in the Google Form. So those you have a Google ID, they can use. Otherwise you can sign up in Google for a new email ID, and from that you can log into Google Form. So I have already logged in, as you can see on the screen, to my email ID, and after typing Google Form, click on the first link. There is a two options showing here. One is the personal and one is for business. So I am just creating for the personal. Click on go to Google Form. It's free. Okay. After opening this Google Form, here there is a different types of format. Templates are given here, ready-made, that you can use in as a theme you can use. Okay, I am taking the blank one so that you will get more clear. Okay, so here is the untitled form. Open here, and you can add all the questions, with the options. So first you have to give the title. Just for an example I have given you, you can type whatever title you want to give. I am typing Syskarate, and the form description also you can mention below, whatever you want. It's you can say feedback form. Feedback. I am giving the description feedback form, and this form you can add the questions here. What questions you want to ask? If I am giving a small question, like our services. Okay, question mark. So here I have typed the question, and in option you can give excellent. You can add more options. Just click on add options. It will automatically take good, fair and poor. So 4 options I can give here. I can edit all that options. Okay, so I have made a question. Okay, so one question is ready. If you want to add the another question, you can click on plus button. Okay, so now you can type the second question. So like this way you can type many of the questions, whatever in feedback form you want to ask with the customers or your employees or your student. So in details what all the options I will explain you in this video. Okay, so this plus button is to add the question, and the second one is to input a question. Just click on it. You can input all the questions from the form presenting on your Google form previously, which you have created. On that you can input it. On the previous selection also you can select it, which is now empty. Okay, so I am closing this window, and in next option you can add the title and description. So first in header you have already given this thing, so if you want more title and more description you can add from here. Okay, and the fourth option is to add an image. Okay, you can add a image from various sources, as you can upload the file, the browser, you can drag and drop here, so it will get uploaded from your mobile, from your camera. You can take by the URL also, you can input it from the Google Drive also. You can from the photos, from the Google Drives. Okay, and from Google search images also. You can search the image, whatever image you want, based on the question you can import it. Okay, so here is this option. I am closing this thing. And if you want to add a video file, so this fifth option is to add a video file. Whatever, if you have given any explanation in YouTube or any type of URL, whatever, on a social media, on a Facebook, on a whatever link, that link you have to type here, you have to paste here. Okay, and then you can input this thing. So I am using the YouTube, so I am importing one video in front of you to just explain you. So one video I will show you how to import it. My internet speed is very low, so the process is going on. So no problem, just keep patience. Okay, so here I am typing. Actually my internet speed is very low, sorry for that. Okay, so this is my video, which 4 days before I have uploaded this thing. So click on this video, whatever video, if you like to share with your, so here is the option share. Okay, just click on share. It will generate a copy of that URL. Okay, just copy that whole URL. Let me pause this video. Okay, I am trying to copy. Just copy this URL, click on copy. Okay, link copied to clipboard. Then go to selected video, and here you have to paste it. Then search. See, here is that same video is showing here. You can see the thumbnail. Just click on it and select. Once you have selected, this video will get import in this Google form, and based on that video you can ask the question to your employees or your student, whatever. Okay, so here is this option, and the last one is to add a section. Okay, just click on this. See, there are, this is the first section, okay, and this one is the second section. So you can add the different sections for different types of questions, different topics. Okay, so all these options are there available in Google Form, and on this three dot there is a you can duplicate the sections, move the sections, you can delete this thing section. Okay, here you can collapse the whole section. Okay, so, and if you want to change the theme, you can customize the theme also. Just click on this, and in header, if you want to change the header image, you can click on choose image. This Google has given the default images which is available on the internet based on the categories. Different categories are there. You can select any categories, whatever topic. Okay, otherwise you can upload your file, your photos. You can drag and drop on this window, otherwise you can browse from here. Or if you have a Google photos, so on that also you can search. Okay, I'm closing this window. Or if you want to change the theme color, so from here you can change. See, I like this color. Okay, so it is getting changed. Or if you want to change the background, you can change from here also. Okay, and for the fonts also you can change. There are different fonts present here on Google Form. Okay, and from this key, this three dots, you can undo. You can do undo. You can make a copy. If you want to move to the trash, you can just move it. If you want a pre-filled link for this form, you can click on this. It will go. It will take you the window, and it will give you to create a link. If you click on this, you will get a link. See, if you click on get link, okay, so if you want to preview, you can see the preview. So this the person who, if you are sharing this thing to anybody, so they can view your feedback form like this, and they can select the option, whatever option they want. They can watch the video, and they can go to next for another question. So like this way, at last they have to send the submit button. Once the form is filled, they can submit here, and if they submit, you will get the response on your Google Form, where you can check the submitted forms. Okay, so like this way this Google Form works. And see, in this tab you can see the responses. Okay, so wherever you send to anybody any mail ID and they respond to this form and submit. After submitting, you can see the whole forms here. If just I'm showing you the example. Okay, I filled this form and I've submitted. It is uploaded on the, see, your response has been recorded. Okay, so just close this window and see, once they have submitted, you will get all the response here with the graph. Okay, so this is very good thing to get the opinions, get the feedback, get the survey. Okay, so all the things I hope I have covered in this video. And one thing, how to send. Okay, so in send you have to if you have any email ID, you can add here. Okay, and just send. You can send it to through the Facebook, to the tweet also. You can share it on the Facebook and tweet also. Or if you have Google link, you can send this link also. Or if you have a website where you want the survey or a feedback to be submitted on your website, so this is the code of HTML that you can input on your website. Just copy and your HTML, your website creator can add this thing. Okay, so and if you want to add the collaborators, so here you can add also the collaborators. Those who can edit this form, they have the rights to edit your form. So you can add, as you are the already editor, you are the owner of this form, you can add more groups, more peoples, so that they can edit your form. So hope you have understand how to create a Google form, how to create a feedback or a survey form. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, just comment it and have a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel. So keep patience. Goodbye.